In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Framer URL, step by step. This tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to fully customize their Framer site by changing its domain to something that better fits their brand or project's identity. So let's get started and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to navigate to the Framer website. Framer is a fantastic platform where you can build professional, code-free websites that are especially beloved by designers for their ease of use and functionality. Once you're on the site, you'll need to find the Login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your login details to access your Framer account. After logging in, you'll be directed to Framer Home. This is the hub where you can see all your existing projects. From here, identify the particular project for which you want to change the URL. You'll see a list or grid view of your projects. Simply click on the one you're working with. Now you should be inside the specific project dashboard. Look around the menu options and find Site Settings. Clicking on this will give you access to various configuration settings for your project. In Site Settings, search for the Domain section. If you don't see it right away, just scroll through the Settings tabs until you find it. These might be labeled or arranged differently depending on any recent updates within Framer. Once you find the Domains section, click on it to open a new set of options. This area allows you to manage your project's domain details and make any changes necessary. Here, you'll notice an option for Custom Domain. If your goal is to change the URL to a custom domain that you've purchased, this is the place to do it. Click on Custom Domain, and you'll be prompted to enter your desired domain name. Remember, it should be something memorable and relevant to your content or brand. When entering your custom domain, make sure that it's correctly connected to your domain registrar settings if you've already purchased it elsewhere. It's generally a good practice to double-check the DNS settings of your custom domain to ensure that they align with Framer's requirements. Should you encounter any setup issues, Framer's support documentation offers great advice on redirecting domains and fixing common pitfalls. Take your time to fill out the details precisely, and once finished, Framer will guide you on how to update your domain settings to point to your new Framer project. After you're done, give it a quick test by entering the new URL into your browser to see if it redirects correctly. There you have it. A simple way to change the URL of your Framer project to use a custom domain. Feel free to reach out in the comments with your questions. And as always, happy creating with Framer.